Hello, I'm Chris and we're from Zbikes.com. It's a firm based in England and we are distributing, we are making, we are designing the Zbike. Now these are specifically made to meet with legislation under the Road Traffic Acts, the various amendments thereto from 93 to 76, so that they are a battery assisted pedal cycle. So the battery assist, it lasts for about 4 hours, 3 hours if you're in heavy terrain going uphill in the Derbyshire Dales. But the beauty of them is that they fold away, they come apart very, very simply and easily, with the seat coming out as such and the handlebars folding down as such, making 70 centimetres deep. They fit into the back of my Citroen Saxo quite easily. They are, the beauty of them as well is they're very, very comfortable, even if you've got issues with your spine, because the seat, as you can see, is very soft. It's also sprung, as is the rear swing arm. Just there you've got that compression, so they move equally as well on gravel, on grass, with the battery assist, because of the 3 power settings to assist the pedals. So you've got those power ratings, so it always keeps that optimum 60 revolutions per minute on the pedal cycles. Disc brakes and the quality of the D chain means that it won't break. It's a D chain, it's lubed, just keep it nice and lubed, it will last for a long time, and the gear ratios are specifically made to give that optimum 60 revolutions per minute. The battery comes out quite easily, key, lift out as such, pop it into a normal charge in the house, and 4 hours you're on maximum charge and you've got another one. Lights on and off, you've actually got a brake light as well, so there, and horn as well as bell. Okay. Which I think is fantastic. So those are the nice digital display as well. It's all digital display, gives you your battery life as well as your speed as well, just there. Okay. So these are the optimal get around city bike. Climate change levies will come in to improve air quality in towns. Government directive is that a lot of diesel cars and petrol cars will be banned from large towns and inner cities. These will be exempt from any charges because they are a pedal cycle that's battery assisted as opposed to a fully electric bike.
Today we're at a campervan show. What happens if you're off-grid? There's no mains electricity to keep the battery charged. How do you accomplish a charge on this thing?
They are adaptable. The battery is charged. Obviously it will take longer than a mains volt, 12 volt, but it will charge from an off-grid source. Right, so it got twisted. There we go. Found it.
And there he is, pedalling off into the sunset, never to be seen again.
I'm on one of these Zbikes e-bikes.
Yeah.
We'll show you what it looks like from the front a little bit later. Just taking you for a spin down here. There's our van. And so far, I would say this is quite a weird experience. It's like having a motorbike that's totally silent. I'm not using the pedals at all, even though this thing does have a pedal assist. I just can't get over how easy this thing is to operate. It feels light, it's very, very easy to control. I feel totally safe on this thing. Right, let's try this bit of a hill here then. Oh yeah, and got a pedal.
How are you getting on with it?
It's, you know,
you look a bit tiny.
Yeah, I thought so. I thought, well, I'm a great big fat bloke. I'm going to kill this thing just by getting on it. And tell you what,
Mark Wynn's being on that, I tell you.
I just don't want.
It looks low at the front.
It does feel a bit low. It does adjust.
what did you think about the comfort?
Extremely comfortable.
Off-road?
Off-road, on-road, it almost was no difference. The only thing that makes you know that you're off-road is you got to give it a little bit more pedal assist. In particular, in things like that bog chippings that's going across the race course. I got into quite a deep piece, and running out of juice. Just gave it a quick spin, and you just pop right out of there.